Let's make Jamaican Hardo bread. We'll start out by blooming our yeast in warm water with a little bit of sugar. You're just going to use a little of the sugar that you're using in the bread itself. Then in a separate bowl, you're going to combine flour and salt, make a well, add your yeast, milk, and butter. Traditional Hardo bread is just made with yeast, water, and oil. I found that adding milk and a little bit of butter helped with the flavor and texture of the bread and made it something that I really like. The most important part of making this bread is the kneading process. So you're going to set a timer on your phone for 10 minutes and you're going to call your friend who loves to chat people business and talk to them for 10 full minutes to distract yourself from how hard kneading this for 10 minutes is. Once you're done kneading, you're going to oil your bowl, oil your dough, and set it in a warm place to rise. You do not want a lot of air to be in this dough, else you're going to get light white sandwich bread. The more air that's in your dough, the lighter it will be. And so you don't want to force the proofing of this bread by adding heat. Just let it simply rise, and it mostly expands more than it rises up. After your first rise, you're going to make a rectangular shape, roll it flat, roll it tight, pinch it closed, and then your second rise again before baking it at 350 for about 35 minutes. Once it comes out, you can brush it with butter or you can brush it with a solution of sugar and water, which is more traditional. And this is what the bread looks like. It's really, really delicious, and it's the texture that I really love. Hope you give it a try. The recipe is in the captions.